Alright, in this problem I have a hot air balloon that is being set off by a boy leaning against it. And so the hot air balloon starts rising and the boy starts running away. Bad picture again. And we're ready to start talking about it. The balloon is rising at a constant rate of 6 foot per second, and the boy is running away at 8 foot per second. So that means that I'm given, that is, if I'm calling this x, y, and z, I am given that dx over dt is equal to 8 foot per second, and dy over dt is 6 foot per second. This is a right triangle, so we're going to be having to use Pythagorean theorem. I did forget to write down what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find out how fast the balloon and the boy's distance is changing. So that would be dz over dt. I'm supposed to do that when t is equal to 5. So taking the derivative of this, I have 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt equals 2z dz over dt. And I'm going to divide everything by 2, so that gets rid of those 2's out in front, and I don't need to worry about those anymore. If I start plugging in the values I have, I know that this is 8. I know this is 6. And I know that after 5 seconds, y would be 30. Because it's moving at 6 feet per second, so every second it goes up 6, so after 5 it would be 30. After 5 seconds, this x would be equal to 40. The boy would be 40 feet away because he's running at a rate of 8 foot every second. So at 5 seconds, he'd be 40 feet away. In a right triangle, this would be a 30, 40, 50 right triangle. So I know z is 50. All right, let's finish plugging those numbers in then. I have y is 30. I have x is 40. And z is 50. dz over dt is what I'm trying to find. So I have 320 plus 180 equals 50 dz over dt. So I have 500 equals 50 dz over dt. Divide by 50 on both sides, and dz over dt is equal to 10 feet per second.